Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A thorn. Once upon a time there was a terrible punishment underway in a certain country. They were feeding the criminals to the hungry lions. People would gather to watch this horrifying scene. The criminal that day was a slave who had escaped from his owner. He was left in the middle of an arena surrounded by high walls. They let a hungry lion into the arena. At first, the lion got ready to pounce on the poor man, but suddenly it stopped and started to lick the slave's hands. The spectators were astonished. They asked the slave why the lion had not attacked him. The slave said, "One day I saw this lion in the forest. A thorn had lodged itself in its paw, and it was in great pain. I pulled out that thorn, and since that day we have been good friends." People got touched by this story. They set both the lion and the slave free. To the pupils' amazement, the lion was following the slave as if it was his pet cat. الراحمون يرحمهم الرحمن ارحموا من في الأرض يرحمكم من في السماء رواه الترمذي. What a wonderful saying of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. God shows His mercy to those who are merciful. Have compassion to creatures on the earth so that those in heaven may have mercy upon you.